Hello students, welcome to the class 8th standard mathematics. Today we shall learn in algebra about identities. The formulas are a plus b the whole square, this triple bar which we can say it that is identical to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a minus b the whole square identical to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The third formula a square minus b square is identical to a plus b, a minus b. X plus a into x plus b is identical to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Here the triple bar used. Instead of this we can also represent or we can also use the equal symbol for this formula. Now let's go for the first subdivision. Exercise 3.3. Expand 3m plus 5 the whole square. Now for this sum we are going to write the suitable identity. So here they have given 3m plus 5 the whole square. Then the formula is a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here we can take these values as a and b. So therefore a equal to 3m and b equal to 5. We can substitute these values. So substituting this value we get 3m plus 5 the whole square equal to a square mean 3m the whole square plus 2 into what is a? 3m. What is b? 5. And what is b? 5. Then we have to write it as a b square, which means we have to write it as a 5 square. Now let's do the simplification. So we are going to square the number. Then squaring the number we get 3 3s are 9 and we get 9m square. Next just multiply the numbers, that is 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. Then the remaining variable is m and the simplification or the square of this 5 square value is 25. So this is answer for this first subdivision. Now the second subdivision is 5p minus 1 the whole square. The suitable formula for this a minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now instead of a and b let us choose 5p and 1. So a equal to 5p and b equal to 1. Now substituting these values we get 5p minus 1 the whole square. Therefore instead of a square we can write 5p the whole square minus 2 into a value is 5p and b value is 1. Then b square mean 1 square. So squaring this 5p we get 5 5s are 25, p into p and p square we get 25p square minus square. Just multiply the numbers. 2 5s are 10 and 10 ones are 10. The remaining variable is p and this value is 1. Now let's go for the third subdivision, that is 2n minus 1 and 2n plus 3. Now the suitable formula for this or the identity is x plus a into x plus b. That is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. In the place of x we have 2n. So next, in the place of A we have minus 1 and the place of B we have plus 3. In the formula we have plus values. So we can choose this as a minus 1. Then we could write x equal to 2n and A equal to minus 1. Then it becomes plus 1. Here the B value is plus 3. Now substitute these values, we get 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 3. Then substituting these values in the formula, we get x square mean 2n the whole square plus a plus b value mean 2n minus 1. Then the x value is again 2n. Sorry, here the a value is minus 1. Then b value is 3. So therefore minus 1 plus 3 we get. The x value is 2n plus ab value is minus 1, 3. So both are in multiplication, minus 1 into 3. Then simplification of this, we get 2 2s are 4n square. Then simplification of minus 1 plus 3 we get plus 2 into 2n. Then here the multiplication of this value becomes minus 3. Then we can write it 4n square. 2 2s are 4n. Then this value plus into minus. If there exists nearest sign between the curve bracket, then we have to do the multiplication. Therefore plus into minus we get minus, that is 3. Now let's go for the fourth subdivision. Now suitable identity for this subdivision is a square minus b square. The formula is a plus b into a minus b. Now here we can change this as a, that is 2 square and p square. Then we can write it 5 square and q square. Therefore we can change it that is 2p the whole square minus 5q the whole square. Then we can substitute this values 2p and 5q and we can take it as a and b. Then we can substitute, we get 2p plus 5q, then 2p minus 5q is the answer for this subdivision. Now the cubic identities formula, we can see, that is the first one, a plus b the whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. If you learn this formula, then we can easily apply to the minus of a minus b whole cube, that is a minus b the whole cube is equal to. So as usual we are going to learn the formula, only we are going to change the minus sign. So that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. And the third formula we can remember x plus a, x plus b, x plus c. Okay, then we can write x cube plus a plus b plus c the c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. We can summarize all these three formula, that is a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and the negative formula is a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. The third one is x plus a, x plus b, x plus c. Multiplication of this equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c the x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Now let's go for the second sum. Expand 3m plus 3 plus m the whole cube. The same way 2a plus 5 the whole cube and 3p plus 4q the whole cube. So these are belongs to the positive identity. And in the third question we shall see 5 minus x the whole cube, 2x minus 4y the whole cube, ab minus c the whole cube. So these first three subdivisions are belong to negative cubical identity. So suitable identity for this cubical formula is, that is, a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square then plus b cube, we can remember. Okay, then here the a value is 2a and the b value is 5. So we can substitute these values in the formula. Then we get 2a plus 5 the whole cube equal to, so we can write it that 2a the whole cube plus 3 into what is a square? Here 2a the a whole square. What is b? That is 5. Here what is 3 and what is a? 2a. Instead of b square we can write 5 square and then b cube is 5 cube. So therefore 2a the whole cube, which means we have to do the multiplication for 3 times. Then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then 8a cube plus, just multiply the numbers, then change it as a simplified form, that is 4a square into 5. Then here also we get 3 2a, 5 square we can write it as a 25. Then plus 5 cube we can write it as a 125, which means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Then we can write 8a cube plus, multiply the numbers, 3 4s are 12 and 12 5s are 60 a square. Next, multiply the numbers. Okay, 3 2s are 6 and 6 25s are, we can multiply. We get 150. So therefore 150a. Then we get plus 125. So which is the answer for this? 2a plus 5 the whole cube. Now suitable formula for this, a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here a is equal to 3p and b equal to 4q. Substituting this we get 3p the whole cube and 3 into what is a square? 3p square. Then what is b? 4q plus 3 into a is 3p and then 4q the whole square plus p cube is 4q the whole cube. Then we get 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27 p cube. Then we get 3 4s are 12 cube and this simplification of this value we get 9p square. Then we can do the simplification, that is 3 3s are 9 p. Here the whole square value is, we get 16 cube. Then this value we get 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64 q cube. Okay, simplification of the further step we shall do 27p cube plus multiplication of this numbers we get 12 into 9s are 2 9s are 18, carry the 1, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 1 we get 10. So therefore 108 p square and cube. Here multiply the numbers, 9 into 16s are. So 9 6 are 54, carry the 5, then 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 5 we get 14. So therefore 144 p cube plus 64 q cube is the answer for this subdivision. Now the fifth subdivision is 104 whole cube. We can split this term as a 100 plus 4 the whole cube. So suitable formula for this is a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now we can choose this is as a, this as a b. Then 100 plus 4 the whole cube we get 100 cube means 100 the whole cube plus 3a square, 3 into 100 the whole square, b value is 4 and then 3, a value is 100 and b square value is 4 square, then b cube value is 4 cube. So here we get 100 cube means just write the 2 zeros for 3 times, then we get this value. And furtherly we can move, that is 3 4s are 12 and the square of this 3 4s are 12. Square of this 100 we get 1000. Sorry, 10,000. Next, then we get 300. 4 square multiplication we get 16. Then 4 cube value is 64. Here this value 10 lakh. Here multiplication of this we get 1,20,000. 1,20,000. So no need to put commas. So simply you can write this value and then multiplication of this we get. So 3 16s are we get 48, then add the 0 plus 64. Now we are going to add all these values, that is next value is and then we get 4,800 and then we get 64. Add all these values. So we get 4, 6, 8, 4, 2, 1, 1. So the final answer is 11,24,864, which means 11,24,864. The same way, for the third question, we shall do the subdivision 1, that is 5 minus x the whole cube. Here we are going to use a minus and for the negative cubical identity formula. That is a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. The same procedure here we are going to follow, that is, this is a and this is b. Then we can substitute, that is a equal to 5 and b equal to x. So 5 cube minus 3 into 5 square, p value is x, and then 3 into a value is 5 and b square value is x the whole square minus b cube means we can substitute x cube. Then 5 cube value is 125 minus 5 square value is 25 and 3 into 25 into x plus 3 5s are 15x square minus x cube. Now multiplication of this 3 into 25 we get 75x plus 15x square and minus x cube is the answer for this subdivision. Now the second subdivision is 2x minus 4y the whole cube. Here 2x is a and 4y is b. Then the suitable formula is a minus b the whole cube. Substituting these values we get 2x the whole cube minus 3, 2x the whole square into 4y plus 3, 2x into 4y the whole square, then minus 4y the whole cube. Now the simplification of this we get 8x cube minus 3 into 2x square value we get 4x square into 4y. Then 3 into 2x, this 4y the whole square value we get 16y square minus 4 cube value is 64y cube. Then 8x cube minus, just multiply the numbers, that is 3 4s are 12 and 12 4s are, then 3 4s are 12 and 12 4s are 48 x square y. Then multiply the numbers 3 2 16, 3 2s are 6 and 6 16s are 6 into 16 we get 36, carry the 3, then 6 1s are 6 plus 3 equal to 96. Then 96 x y square minus 64 y cube, which is the answer for this second subdivision.